When you look at anything for that matter, don't start with unbelief. If you look at a job, if you look at a work at hand, if you look at your spouse, or if you look at an errant child, or anything for that matter, never start off with unbelief. Reject the feeling of impossibility. Reject everything that contributes to unbelief. Remember, it's not the absence of faith, but it's the presence of unbelief that makes you to miss your miracle. Never start over with unfaith. Shut your mouth. Throttle your throat. Let not words of unfaith